Time Mastery for IELTS Writing. Tips and Tricks. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into time management specifically tailored for the IELTS writing section. Managing your time effectively can truly make or break your IELTS score. So, let's learn how to best allocate those precious minutes. Understanding the structure of the IELTS writing section is crucial. The IELTS writing test is divided into Task 1 and Task 2. Task 1 for the academic test requires you to describe a graph, chart, or process in at least 150 words. For the general training test, you'll be asked to write a letter. Task 2 is an essay for both academic and general training, and you need to write at least 250 words. Given that you have 60 minutes for the entire writing test. 1. Spend 20 minutes on Task 1. This gives you enough time to understand the task, plan your response, write, and briefly review. 2. Dedicate 40 minutes to Task 2. It's worth more points and requires more depth, so double your time here. Again, understand the question, plan your answer, write, and review. Before diving into writing, spend 3 to 5 minutes brainstorming and planning your answer. For Task 1, jot down the main features or trends you see. For Task 2, brainstorm your main points and supporting details. A well-structured answer is often a result of good planning. Always keep the question in mind. It's easy to drift off topic when you're rushing, but off-topic answers can lower your score. For Task 1, make sure you only describe the key details and trends without giving your opinion. For Task 2, ensure every paragraph supports your main answer to the question. If possible, leave the last 2 to 3 minutes to review your answers. Check for obvious errors, unclear sentences, or missed points. Make sure you've written the minimum word count for each task. And that wraps up our session on mastering time management for the IELTS writing test. Remember, practice makes perfect. By integrating these strategies into your practice sessions, you'll be well on your way to confidently managing your time during the real exam. Best of luck, and keep writing.